Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your US Citizenship and Immigration Services account, or in other terms, USCIS account. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this US Immigration Citizenship and Immigration Services website. Okay. And here I have gone to this create your online account. So the very first thing is like when you come here for the first time, you need to create your account, and that's where I am. Otherwise, you can sign in. So this is going to be like individual specific account. So the first thing you need to do is to put your email address and click on submit. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, what happens that after that you put your email address, it sends a verification link to your account. Uh, okay, the email address that you have entered. Also check your spam mails too. Ideally, it should not go over there, but who knows, it may. Then you need to click on that link. Okay, and from there the process begins. Like I got this terms of use. Okay, read it thoroughly and then click on I agree. Now you have to create a password for you. Okay, and confirm the password, and from there you can proceed. So I'm going to do this. Okay, now setup. Like you need how you're going to verify. Every time you log in, you will be given a verification code to use signing. Three methods they have given. Either use an authentication app where you put text message on your mobile, or receive an email. So I'm gonna receive an email. Okay, that will be good. And I'm gonna click on submit. What it did was like it sends a verification code to the email account that I entered, and then it also generated a backup code. Okay, so that in case you forget your password or something, your account can be recovered. So that backup code you must save at a safe place. Okay, fine. Now it has given me the opportunity to select five security questions, so that when you contact their help desk, they can verify it's actually you. So I'm gonna do this. Like I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So that's it, guys. After you set up those questions, you reach to the home page. From here, you can go to your, uh, you can either edit your account, you can go to USCIC and do the stuff, go to first, go to e-verify, go to e-verify plus. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.